You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss locks. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing locks and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss, oh, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me.
What boom did you get?
Good morning, YouTube.
Sorry.
Hey. Good morning. That's good. You're working. I'm working. Beautiful. Yeah, I got the Elgato that I was looking for in the beginning.
Okay.
So super happy. That's what I wanted. That's what I got.
Cool, man. There was actually an entry there on gold.
Yeah, there was an entry there, but we were coming right into support. So that's why I was a little concerned with it. But yes, there was. You just didn't have a huge vantage point. But yeah, you could have took it. I was in the middle of everything else and did not take it. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, G Flocky. Good morning, Manpour, obviously. I won poker on Insta Funding again yesterday. Sweet. Good job. Rat Killer. Hey, Reality, how about them Chiefs? Yeah, Rat Killer, how about them Chiefs? Rat Killer, I told you I would make you mod. Let me do that fast. Oh, hold on. You know, I need to do one other thing.
Okay, wait, let me just go into the YouTube and like and comment and whatever.
There we go. I never did any of this stuff today. Alright. Add as a moderator. Dared save. There you go, Rat Killer. You are a mod now in YouTube. Cool. Working. Was a close game. Yeah, I was getting worried as well. Rat Killer, I was getting worried as well. It was a, it was something. It was something. Overtime. Super Bowl into overtime. Jeez, crazy stuff.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
All right. I can look around. I have to worry about the mic now. I was looking for this wick here, guys. That's why I put this up this way. So here we got it. These candles came in, got it. This was daily low. We got a big wick up, flip, wick up to grab part of this. The problem would have been here is you couldn't have took the flip candle. You know, we've talked about this before. It would have been a hard spot to take the flip candle. So you would have wanted to take the low, right? So the low is here, and then you come into support. See this? I mean, you're talking about a very small vantage point. Obviously it ran through that. We know this now, right? And this is always where the problem comes in. Everybody talks about, oh, well, look at this. You should have took this because once we broke the lows, it ran, and it did. But we could have only anticipated the recovery of these wicks right here, you know, prior to it falling through there. So could we have took the position? Yeah, but yeah.
If you move your chart like that, you don't see that thing. It's fine.
Nah. Let's go ahead and delete this. We don't need this no more because that wick was recovered. Again, we don't really need this box here anymore either, really, because we broke through it. We're here. So I mean, now it looks beautiful, but still, that would have been our spot to take profit, and that's, you know, that's where the problem comes in at. So you're looking at 14 ticks. Wasn't horrible, but you're talking about 14 ticks for a, I like to see 20, at least, for a 21, 22 tick stop loss. It's all right. Wasn't a bad position. By any means, it wasn't bad. It's just, we got a line down here. Must be this. Oh, we got a big wick here. Woo! Woo! Who didn't tell me about this wick? Look at that wick. Woo! 95 tick wick. Now you're talking. Woo! That's a nice one. Okay, sorry. Yeah, too late now. Nice though. But again, I don't know how. I wouldn't have been in it. We beat him, though. That's all that matters, Rat Killer. Yeah? Yeah? Good deal, good deal. Does anyone outside America actually watch the Super Bowl? I would, you know, I'm in America. You tell me, Jeff. I don't know. We are recovering the, yeah, wick now. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, could be. We could get it, but we've got a long way for recovery still. Got a long way for recovery. Even as of right now, we still got 50 ticks. So we still got a ways to go to recover that wick. So it's not horrible. It's not horrible. You did tell me what? I don't know. I don't know what you told me because I don't think you, I did not see that wick. If you saw it, then great. Took that trade, honestly. Wasn't bad. I wouldn't have took it still, though. I told you earlier. Okay, well, I didn't. But I forgot about it. Okay, well, maybe. I'm not sure about that one. Yeah, I don't remember that, G-Flock. Hey, but if you say so. Not gonna doubt you. All right. Good morning, Kick. Good morning, Twitch. I'm sorry, guys. We're a little late on starting the live stream. I thought you already started. That is my bad. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. What happened? I broke something, guys.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. Everything just froze up on me. Screen's still running over here, so I guess that's fine. But my second screen, everything just froze on. Okay, well, here's what it is.
Some warm water and just pour some warm water over it. It'll defrost.
Yeah, I don't know what is going on. Okay, well, Rat Killer, if you make sure you pay attention to YouTube chat for me now. I cannot see it. My screen's. I am down. I don't know what happened. I can't see YouTube. I don't know what. Okay. All right, we are back. I don't know. No worries, I guess, but I do not know what happened there. We get a push up here during New York session. We get a push up. We will take a short on the eval. Back down on gold. Try trading the indicator. We'll try to pass an eval on here, guys. New thing. Trying to run this for the guy who it is the X trade.
Sorry.
You're fine. It is the X trade indicator, Jeff. We are running it for the guy. If it passes eval, then it's completely, you know, up to you guys. Basically, he sells, it's a membership. It's a monthly plan, right? So we'll see how it does.
Subscription?
Yeah, subscription. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to do it on my eval account anyway. If it blows, it blows. It's about 1,500 down now anyway, so...
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Well, there is. 1,500 down is bad.
Well, yeah. I'm saying there's nothing wrong with running it on your regular eval.
Yeah. If it... I decided to run it one more month anyway. Maybe we can... Maybe I can just do something. I don't know. Maybe this one passes it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's just try it.
We got to get a big move up in order to, in order for that to work, I think. Because you essentially now are here, so we need to get up here in order to have our sell position come in. So if we do get up there, you know, about 35.1 is what we're looking at. If we get up there and we tap 35.1, then we will take a sell down for the indicator trade. And
what time frame does it run on there?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Yeah, 2 minute time frame, and he's saying to run 2 minute on NY session only. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see how it goes. He says it won't give you a bunch of trades, maybe 3 to 5 a week. which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. 50 tick stop loss, 50 to 100 tick take profit, BE at 30. So that's how we're going to run it. We'll see how it runs.
So he's got some management built in. Well, not built in, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll see. We'll play it just by those rules and see how it goes. And then if anybody sees anything that is any different, or if it looks any better, or we come up with something that, you know, seems better for it, then we'll cross that path once it happens. Till then, we'll just run it as stated and go from there.
Well, if you see any other trades, then we'll just take those.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. This boom makes it so much easier. I can look both ways without having to worry about looking away from the microphone now.
Cool. Welcome back.
Yeah, exactly. This is much, much better. I've been so used to using a headset mic that it never really even dawned on me that I would talk away from the mic.
Yep.
Cable management's really nice too, and it actually made it a lot better, because what I did was I ran my headphone charger through there as well, so that I can hang my headphones on the microphone and get them all out of the way at the same time. Basically, I could just kind of push it up and out of the way, so it's super convenient. Anybody that's looking for a boom, I don't know if they're still on sale. Yep. It's normally $100, and they're on sale right now for $80 on the Elgato site. Good morning, Aiden.
Morning, Aiden.
Talking about the boom. I finally got the boom put in, Aiden, so.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I did over the weekend. It's really good. I got it ordered. It got here quicker than I assumed, honestly, because we ordered it from the company rather than ordering it from Amazon. And I always expect Amazon to get here really fast, but through the company, not always they get it here so fast. But it was here on Saturday. It worked out really well, so I got it installed and working really well. I told them the way the cable management works is really nice, so I put the headphone charger through it too, so I can hang my headphones off of the microphone now, and they can charge and everything else right here as well. So it's it works out well.
That's really smart.
Pretty nifty.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be cutting out anymore then, yeah?
No. I shouldn't cut out anymore. If I cut out now, it's because I've apparently placed the microphone in the wrong place, so make sure you guys let me know, but I don't believe I should cut out at all. I'm looking at the laptop screen now, and I'm good, I assume. I'm looking at my second screen now, and I'm looking at the third screen now. So, I mean, it should be, as I rotate my head, it shouldn't matter at all because the microphone's in front of me now rather than off to my right. So, yeah, I should be good regardless of where I look, which is absolutely amazing. Makes it way easier on me.
Yeah. I would just drop your gate a little bit. I don't know, Aiden, you might have more input.
Oh,
there, but...
it sounds fine to me, but...
Okay, cool.
Alright. I don't know where. I'll bring it down to like 1.5. See if that's any better. I was at 1.9. There's 1.5. Maybe that'll be better.
Okay.
Hopefully that'll work better. I don't know.
I'll monitor it.
Okay. Hey, Phils. Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Hello, good night, good morning, good evening.
Yeah, everything, because we got people here from everywhere. Yeah. Good morning, man.
Good morning.
What are you looking at right now?
We're looking at gold went down. There's essentially an entry there, but you know your support was pretty quick. So wasn't something to get involved in. I was doing other things, but this is the wick recovery that you will hope for at this point if we're going to continue to move down. So even from the bottom of this low, which we're not looking at the bottom of this low right now because we got this wick as a vantage point. So this would be a pretty big move if we're going to continue to go down. So you've got 39 ticks, 40 ticks there, and then you got another, I think the wick went down to about here somewhere, about 70-ish ticks for a complete recovery if we go down and recover it. Not saying we will yet, but if we get an entry, we definitely will take advantage of that recovery there. See what happens. Could go up.
Longing XAU to 2021.
That works. Nothing wrong with that. Looks good, Aiden. Looks good. Was Meta from... No, you were already in that. Never mind. That was not from Friday because you were already in that. I remember you talking about it now. Never mind.
Yeah, no, that's just a straight call.
Gotcha. Yeah, we were trying to make the way through the PDF a little over the weekend. Not that it matters to me per se, but I'm super curious about what Matt was talking about with that indicator. So the wife's been reading it and just kind of trying to figure out if we can, put the indicator on it for signals. You know what I mean? Like it will actually signal when there's an opportunity with some of that stuff, because I know the guys that are going to want to do this, that would be a huge advantage to them. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to see if that'll work or not. I got a really good idea. I really think it will, just because that indicator is so open that you can do almost anything with it. So I think you could set the criteria and it'll alert you when one of those stocks is an opportunity. You know what I mean?
Like relative strength. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes. Yeah, I'm talking about the relative
stronger than SPY.
Correct. Yeah,
I
because
can send you our calculations for it if you need. Like how it's actually made.
Yeah, you can do that.
Sent it to me.
Yeah, you could do that. Like I said, that might be part of it. I mean, I think yeah, you could do that. And I'll take a look at that too. Like I said, I think it might work. And then what these guys can do is I can set that indicator up to where they can just put it on their chart and add in, just put it on every stock that they prefer to trade, whatever that be, and then it should alert them whenever there's a decent entry, and then they can look at it and check it rather than having to watch all of them at the same time,
Mhm.
Kind of a thought. I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Just an idea. But
Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna put this into an indicator, but oh fucking hell. Okay.
well, I should be able to run it to where when it is running different than SPY and it's over the, what was the EMA? The 20? I don't remember all the stipulations, but I should be able to get an indicator that basically code the indicator up to where when it meets all the criteria, it'll just give you a signal. So it's not going to be that...
Yeah, 20, 50, 100, 200.
Exactly. Yeah, and I can run all them with alerts on them. So if I could put all that in there, all it'll be is alert though, just so you can go look at it, verify that it's a, you know, trade setup and then go on. But at least you don't have to have 100 charts looking up all at the same time because you don't know which ones are, you know, doing or not doing that. So essentially it'll just alert you as soon as the criteria are met. That's what I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
I just figure it'll help these guys and that are going to do that. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I am also longing US 30.
Long in the Dow? All right. Fair enough, fair enough. Nas is going down? Is the Dow going up? Is Nas is going down? I guess. They must be running opposite each other right now, Bills. Oh, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, Jeff Naz is down. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm not going to YM chart. I don't want to do all that currently, but I'm surprised that Dow's going up. It's all right. I was up too late, guys. I am tired. I'm not going to lie to you.
Me too. I have not slept yet.
Oh, jeez. I've slept, but I didn't sleep a lot.
Okay, gold shut down soon.
Gold's gonna dump. We want it to go up a little more first. Don't let it do it yet. Don't let it do it yet, Phils. We need to go up just a little bit.
A macro. We are in a macro for the next 20 minutes. So do not trade within this 20 minutes because we are in a macro on the 1 minute. I would not trade for the next 20 minutes because of this 1 minute macro. Those who know, know. Hello, Praki. Yes, this macro is very dangerous.
Good morning, Prosy.
After this macro, I will short.
I hope it goes up first so that it gives a good opportunity to short.
Well, it needs to do a macro, and then sweep the macro, and bing ba boom.
Being viable.
It should go up to 2020 on XAU, which was a previous expansion macro.
I'm looking for like 2035 2035-ish, let's say, on GC. So we'll see. Do not want to short gang of imbalances. First up, then down. Well, that's what I'm looking for. And what I'm looking for is up first. G block. Okay. I'm not shorting right here. It's a nice short if you get the... If you can get the entry, the short should be good because, like I said, we got about a 40 tick vantage point on current candle. And we got another 70-ish on a previous candle wick for recovery, right?
I can't believe it. You're trading on a Monday. I can't believe it.
I'm not trading. If there's a setup, I will. But if there's not, I will not. I trade it regardless. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of Monday at all. I will be 100%. But normally there is no setup, and that's... No, Jeff, I hate Mondays. Monday is not my favorite day to trade. I much prefer Fridays. Fridays, they go after stops. Mondays, they let them build positions. So all the retail traders are building positions on Monday, and you won't see a lot of stops get hit because they're letting them get in and get confident so that they can make some money on Monday, and then they'll squash them the rest of the week, build their confidence a bit, and then start taking their money. Yep, Fridays have way more volume. The reason that Fridays have way more volume is because they're trapping them in their positions. They'll bang wicks back and forth and trap them in. Can't get out. Because everyone full boards.
I'm going
What you doing,
to
Phils?
show you guys how to trade.
Okay.
If you look at my screen, you see this is how you trade on the 1 minute chart, okay?
Okay. I'm watching. Nobody else can see this. YouTube, Kick, Twitch, you're just going to have to listen to what he says because I'm not going to run this. I won't be able to see my comments and he's not on video. I didn't drop a link, so just go ahead, Phils. We're good.
Okay, so you see, we have about 10 indicators on our screen right now.
Why only 10, though? Did he freeze up? It's gone. Dang. That was why we only had 10 indicators. Phils, you're gone. Jeff. He was trying to put the 12th on and it froze. That's funny. That's why I like to share on the VDO, Phils, because you won't have Discord screen problems. I'll go ahead and I'll get a meeting room together. Give me 1 second. Oh, man. Let's see. Create a room. We'll go ahead and create a room, but I'm sure. I don't know if anybody here. Well, no. Poker. Nobody. I don't know about sharing poker either, but I guess. Alright, here you go, Phils. If you want to go on video, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. But if you want to go to video, you can share it that way amongst everyone here without having to use the Discord to do it. Yeah, okay, Jeff. That's fine.
I am now on data, so I cannot stay because I don't have infinite data. So I will go to bed now because the power is out. So that is God's way of telling me I need to go to sleep.
All right. Have a good one, man.
You too. Bye.
Bye. There's video for anybody that wants to share. Alright. What I'm gonna do here, guys. Good morning, Burb. Oh wow, what happened? Good morning, Paul. I just saw you showed up too. I hope I'm not late. Alright, Browsy. See you later. Not really. My voice isn't crackly, is it?
Very rare.
Now does it sound better, Burb? I don't know.
It doesn't do it constantly. It just does it every now and then. That's why I said earlier to just hike that gate up a bit. But probably it's not that. That's what I thought.
I know that I'm having problems. I don't know what I'm having problems with, but I can tell you I'm having problems because the Chrome on my second screen is freezing up. I told you earlier, so there's some kind of I've got some kind of issue. I don't know what exactly, but something's a little off this morning. I didn't run a most of the time on the weekends, and I know my recycle bin's probably full too, but most generally on the weekends what I'll do is I'll run a CCI cleaner or whatever it is scan, and I will run that every weekend and clear everything out, and I did not do that this weekend. So I could have a bunch of stuff that's just kind of sitting causing this or that issue. I don't know. I think I've been too busy the last few weekends to run the scan, so.
I just sent you 2 links to calculate it. So
Okay.
maybe that might make it easier to build it.
Beautiful, beautiful. That'll work. Yeah, I'll see if that works. I'm still crackly.
Don't worry about it. It's not bad. I'm just saying it's for what you got there. It shouldn't be, but it's not bad.
Yeah. Why is that?
You are the expert. I have no idea.
There we go. Let's just reset these, make sure I'm fine. We could run these on... We'll reset all that. Does that sound any better?
You'll have to give it a bit of time. It doesn't do it all the
Okay.
time, so
Alright, well, we'll see.
I will let you know
I
if it does.
think everything's set correctly. I think I've...
No, still correctly.
Hmm.
Don't worry about it now. It's not bad. I'm being an ass, so just...
No,
Forget
you're
it.
fine. Like I said, just as long as... Let me unmute YouTube real quick. See if it sounds good on there. Oh, I see. I know what might be the problem. Okay. This could be my issue. This could be my fault. I know what I'm doing. Now that I unmuted YouTube, I see. I think I'm eating the mic, guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
please don't. I don't think it's yummy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just too close. I'm not used to the boom being here, so I bet it is I bet I'm getting too close to it, so therefore it's overbearing the mic. I probably need to
Okay.
just stay back a little bit. I noticed it once I could hear back how I sounded on YouTube. It makes sense. Too close to it, I think.
Well, you can just move the boom away a bit.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I did. I got a little bit, like I said, I don't know exactly where it sounds good or not good at. I didn't test it. It's just, I got it set up to where
Yeah.
it should work, and now it's kind of just a trial thing. But yeah, I think I was close because I was talking on it more like this rather than like this. So I think that's probably where my problem is, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll get used to it after a while. I'll eventually get good at this,
Yeah.
believe it or not.
Yep.
We can hear your keyboard, Manpower.
I didn't type anything. It wasn't me. Innocent. Totally innocent.
What the fuck? Just lying to my face.
He wasn't typing nothing, honestly.
Nope.
That's funny.
Why do I have to type if I can speak?
Oh shit! I got
Oh,
gold at another position.
On.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna do. I forgot to do that callouts thing. Huh. You know, I should have did that, Manpower. I forgot all about it.
Yes, yes.
I forgot about it.
I
I should have
forgive
put it on
you
there.
today because today you You are tired, so
I am. Man, I stayed up too late. You are not kidding. Jeez.
you know when they say you ran in front of a bus and you got tired, or you ran behind the bus and you get exhausted. That's pretty similar at the moment. So.
Yep.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head.
I'm tired. I stayed up too late. That game was amazing, but at the same time, man, I can't believe it went into overtime. I mean, out of all the things that could have happened, I'm like, oh, finally, we're coming to the end of this game, and then they tie, and it goes into overtime. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. And then I was even more worried because it looked like they were going to tie in overtime. And I mean, it can't end in a tie. So, yeah, I mean, it looked that way. I'm like, oh, you got to be kidding me here. But we got it finally. It almost took a whole quarter of overtime though. So it was quite the game. The Chiefs. I tried to tell everybody to take the Chiefs. Nobody listened. I got another guy that he lost his bets last night, but man, if he just would have took the Chiefs, the wife got a email right in the middle of it from one of the sports books, and it said free $50 bet on the game. There are some kind of stipulations or something to it, and I told her, I said, put it on the Chiefs. They were already down. At that time, they were down like, I don't know, 10-0 or something. So your odds on the Chiefs would have been so good at that point. You could have really made bank. You probably could have took the 50 and probably got, I don't know how far they would have went. Maybe plus 300, you know, so you would have like 3 times your money on it if you would have took it then. But she said it was first bet only or something, and that's not, I don't know why they even offered a promo like that to us then. Was not our first bet. How was the food? Carb loading. We had mozzarella Dijon that was a little, I don't know, the prosciutto was a little salty. Buffalo chicken pizza. That was good. Buffalo chicken. She made only breaded and no grilled buffalo chicken because we already had grilled chicken, buffalo chicken on the buffalo chicken pizza. So I like grilled buffalo chicken, but it was still all right. Had some Tostitos, cheese dip, and chips. That was good. Had ham and pickles. She makes these ham and pickles that are really good. They're pickles with ham with cream cheese. I know it sounds crazy, but ham, you put the cream cheese on it, wrap it around a pickle, cut it up into little pieces. It's really good. Sounds crazy. I never knew about it until I got with my wife, and I was like, man, that don't sound good. I don't even like cream cheese. It is amazing.
Strange what women can make you eat.
Yeah, exactly. That's not anything I thought I would ever like, but it is super good. Had some Miller Lite, you know? Oh, I did, I took Reese's Big Cups and chopped them up into little pieces and put them in Publix, because I really like Publix vanilla bean ice cream. Just vanilla. It's super, super good. I took that and put a big cup, crushed it all up, and put it in there and mixed up something similar to a Blizzard. I had that yesterday as well. Really outside of the box for me. And some Coke with grenadine and Hennessy. I had a couple of those as well. Probably drank too much, ate too much, didn't sleep. You know, all those good things. Yep, back to carnivore today. Yes. Yep. That was a cheat day for the Super Bowl. Amazing game though, guys. And I made that short. You know, I really don't know how you make it the right size though. I wish I knew how to make it the right size. I like the short. I like how I made it. But I don't like that it didn't fit on a full phone screen. It's because I took it off of a full screen for the videos that I took. Came off a full screen, so I just OBS'd them and then put it to a song and put all the clips together and made it look good. But too little. Oh, you had a short? I'm not looking for one here either. Burb, I mean, bad spot because as you can tell my gray lines here, we closed above. So, got a top wick and a flip obviously, but this is closed above that, so it's a little tricky. Not a super bad position if somebody wants, but for me, I'm definitely not interested in that at all. Yeah, could spend the next candle making liquidity for sure. A lot of sense. Oh, I saw the funniest picture over the weekend. Here, I gotta show you guys this. I screenshotted it because it was the funniest thing I ever seen. Hold on. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oh, screenshots are there. Okay, I see. Want to know who trades like this? One of you guys trade like this? Who trades that way? Who does that? I want to know. I want to know who's trading on that Nokia. That is the funniest thing I ever seen. Jeff says it looks like him. You're playing poker on that. You wouldn't even be able to see the cards. Unbreakable account. That is crazy. That's got to be a lie, right? Nobody really trades like that, right? I saw it in the server. Guy says he trades. This is what he trades on. I'm like, no way, right? No way.
The graphics was not able to do that at the time.
That is the craziest thing I ever seen. But I saw it and I'm like, oh man, I have to screenshot that and share that over here because it is funny. BTC all-time high. BTC is not at the all-time high, right? Sure. Why is Marco saying that? There's no...
All-time high is 67, whatever.
Yep. I can't think we're at 67. I didn't miss that.
No, it's gone up. It's at 48, but well, 49 about, but definitely not all-time high.
Yeah. I love those phones. Would happily go back then. Yeah, Paul. I don't know if I'd want to trade on one though. It's a little crazy.
No, definitely not trading.
All-time high is 69.
Got up 69 something.
To, yeah. The first one was 64, and then it did the fake out double top, whatever you want to call it. And took a tumble.
I would say, and this is what the wife said. Aiden's still here, right? Yeah, he's still here. I would say that that relative strength strategy that he trades, that you trade, Aiden. I shouldn't say he. I'm sitting here talking to you, but anyway, I'm gonna assume that it's very similar to how I used to trade the altcoins. That's what she said. She was reading through it, and she says this sounds a lot how you used to trade the altcoins compared to Bitcoin when you were crypto trading. And it's essentially kind of the same thought process. They do the exact same thing when Bitcoin's moving up and your altcoins will fall or down. You know, it's essentially the same thing. Basically, you use the altcoins again. Yep, use the altcoins against Bitcoin, and it's essentially exactly what that PDF's talking about.
Okay. Yeah, it works, but not always.
When it comes to stocks, it works 100% of the time, though.
Okay.
Because it's more based off fundamentals of, companies instead of things like, coins and all that.
Yeah. It's just very, very similar.
What's up, Paul?
Can you send me a copy of that?
It's an education, Paul. Yeah. I'll drop it right.
Happy days, even better.
Yeah. It's an education. So Aiden dropped it in there, along with a little write up on the straddle strategy and everything. I mean, he did a great job of documenting that stuff in education for y'all. Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. I see it now. Okay.
Bitcoin looks good. G Flocke. Good position there. An entry here on this indicator. If so, I'm going to take it on that eval account, guys. Again, it's eval. This indicator is an indicator that a guy is working on. So we'll see how it goes. If it passes an evaluation, I will do it here live, and you guys will see every step along the way as whether it does good or not. And then you can be a judge yourself. He just wanted me to promote it for him, so that I will do.
Maybe then I shouldn't trade it.
It's supposed to be good. He claims the 2 minute. I've I've got both things here, and he says you could trade on the 2-minute or the 5-minute, but the 2-minute actually is better. So we will see again, as we've talked about 100 times. This indicator still, with the update and everything that he's worked on, still repaints. So the only time we will short is touch of this line. We are currently in the red. So as of right now, shorts are all you're looking for. If it taps this line, we will short it. If it does not, we will not. So we're going to go by really strict rules on this indicator, and if it plays, it plays. If it doesn't, it doesn't. This morning, pre-market, which again, we weren't in NY market, we got a buy signal here that hit about a 75 tick move before falling apart. So essentially on that move, if you go by what you're supposed to do here, you could have either TP'd at 50 or went break even at 30, and you would have either, again, hit TP1 or been stopped out break even. So it would have been depending on how you manage it there. So that one would have worked, but that was prior to NY. And he said only trade during NY session. So that's exactly how we're going to run it, but that's just what has happened thus far on it. How much is he paying me? He's not. He's not, Jeff. I'm doing it as a favor. You give me, why you give me raised eyes? just the kind of stuff I do for people, Jeff. Just me. I don't know what you want me to do. Good charge him. No. He's just a guy starting out trying to, you don't trust him? So, I mean, I never was questioning whether to trust him or not trust him. He is, passing, challenge accounts for people currently with a HTF bot as well. So, that's something that he's doing. And it's only through a couple companies, so I don't know.
Yes, you have to add that.
Yeah. So I don't know exactly. Like I said, it's not something that I'd ever partake in and would never suggest you guys. That's what he's been doing for the last few months, and that's why we haven't had any indicators pushing on here, because you guys know my feelings about this.
Jeff, it's only certain prop firms that allow that type of HTF trading. So,
yeah, don't say them out loud because I don't want to give them any credit. Just type them in the chat if you remember what they were.
Okay. Let me see. I can't remember.
I mean, it's not just the credit either. You already know why. We can't.
Yeah.
We can't say that somebody's doing something that they'll tie it all together. I don't want nobody getting in trouble with passing challenges for people, because that's kind of not in the rule set. So, but yeah, just type them in the chat so that Jeff can see. But yeah, those are the only two. Once he grabs them, I forget what they were. Honestly, I don't know. Never heard of either one of them. So.
Yeah, and they're expensive. They're really expensive.
Yeah. So, and that's what he's doing. That's why I haven't been using the indicator, because he's been focusing on that, and I will not promote that. I promote something that is something that you guys can use that will be helpful. I don't feel like passing challenges is helpful. You guys already know my feelings. Is it or is it not? Again, I'm not going to say that it's not. I'm saying I don't feel like it is, so therefore I won't promote it. Just my feelings.
Till they hear me now. I won't
No, I can't find them anyway.
Oh, you can't find the ones? All right, give me a second.
No,
I will. I'll drop them.
Yeah. It's only those specific prop firms.
Oh, look, give me 1 second. I can run a history on buddy. There's 3 here. I don't think it was 3. Was it 3? I think it was only 2.
Yes. 2 or 3, I can't remember, but yeah.
Hold on, I think I got him. Yeah, 2.
Okay.
Okay, there it is. I got it. I will.
Oh yes, sure.
Copy. Found it. Did you find it too? I hope not. After all that.
No, I was looking at a Telegram channel that does similar stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
So there are the 2. Okay, them are the 2. The only thing that he said is if you have a prop firm that allows HTF.
Yes.
Or HFT, I think it's high frequency trading, not HTF.
Trading, yes.
Correct. So a lot of them don't offer that, and they will only offer it for evaluations most generally. So he can pass anything that is offering that. He does it with his bot. He does it in, a day or so, I think is what he said. Either way. Again, not anything I suggest, but
as we said,
it is what it is.
Those companies are expensive. They're really expensive.
Yeah. It's not so bad with Forex, guys. As I talk about passing evals, right? It's a little different with Forex, only because you've already paid your money. So you really don't have a whole lot to lose with somebody else passing it for you, because it's already paid, or you already got your account for free playing poker or whatever the case may be. So I'm not going to necessarily turn you guys away from something like that, because it doesn't cost you anything regardless, except for whatever you're going to have to pay him to pass it, right? So that's the money you're going to be out. With the futures,
well, and buying the account, of course, the first time.
Yeah, correct. With a futures account, I'm going to feel exactly the opposite of that, because you only pay a very small monthly fee and continue to learn to pass it, to where once you do pass the evaluation stage, now you have to pay your PA fee. And if you pay your monthly fee, pay your PA fee, and pay somebody to pass it for you just to blow the account and be back to 0, that seems really, really, really not smart to me. Just my opinion. Like I said, people take my opinion for what it is. It is an opinion. I mean, it's just how I feel. If you feel differently, then it is what it is. But on Forex, it's a little different because you've already paid for it. So what are you losing? You're not going to make any more, you know what I mean? You're not going to have to spend any more money per se if you planned on buying account anyway, except for paying him a fee to pass it, or whoever you use. So, I mean, completely up to you guys. I I recommend, you already know what I recommend. I recommend going to futures and trading on futures because you're not going to put any money into your account and you continue to, you know, re-up every month and they just reset it for you and you can learn that way until you can become consistently profitable and, you know, pass. That's my idea of the best way that you should do it. But that's just me, you know. In my opinion again. I think that's the best way to hit the market and learn at the same time without spending a bunch of money. I don't blame you for not paying for any accounts. Why do it when you can win them all? All in with jacks. You could be in a lot worse place. That's not a bad hand. Go all in. Not the greatest, but it's not bad. Taste it. Ooh. Head. There's a 10. Ooh, oof. Beautiful.
Nice one.
Yeah, Paul, absolutely. You can play poker and get all the free accounts. They've got poker tournaments every single day and then some. I think they got more than one on other days. The only reason that I don't partake in any of that is because they only have them for 4X accounts. But again, there's nothing wrong with that as long as you don't, you know.
What site do you use?
Just go to the, I mean, there's a ton that they offer here. You keep up right here. Up down here, Paul. I'll go ahead and post it. Keep up in there. They have all the links to all the discords that offer it. Most of them play on this that he uses right here, though, which is Poker Now. Most of them, that's where they do. Yeah, that's where they do the poker tournaments at. I've got an invite for their link too, if it's not in the poker chat, but they'll help. All the guys that are in there, they'll help you. They call out the tournaments every day and what's going to be going on and everything else. Just if you got that role, I don't know if you've got the poker role, but if you got the poker notifications role, they will. Yeah, Club GG too. They offer some of them too. If you have that role, then every time Mr. Y or Jeff posts down there, they post at poker notifications and it'll ping you every time if you take the role. So you can keep up with what they got going on all the time.
Excellent.
So Jeff's won a lot of accounts that way. I mean, he spends a lot of time playing poker, but in that he gets paid with a bunch of, you know, accounts that he hadn't had to pay for. So, I mean, you don't have to pay nothing to play these tournaments. So, I mean, it's a really good way to get involved here.
So it doesn't cost anything to actually join these tournaments?
No, nope, they're all free.
Oh.
Yep. So you're losing nothing but a little bit of time to play the tournament, and if you enjoy playing poker, you're not losing that either, right?
Very good to know. I haven't played in about 15 years, but the rules are still the rules.
Yep, it hadn't changed. Just like riding a bike.
Yep. Very good. I'll create myself a wee account now then on Poker Now.
Yeah, Call of Duty Mobile, they do that too. But I've never played any of those. I don't know how to play any of that stuff.
Bitcoin looks like it's about to break 50 grand.
Yeah, Chief Block, hey, welcome to London, right? Or welcome to Monday. I mean, London could have been working and New York's not, but I mean, welcome to Monday. This is typical Monday price action. You're gonna start trading London? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Of course, says it hasn't been good. Well, I don't know. You check it and you see, but he says it for the last little while now. More important math formulas. Starts banning trading in London session. That's crazy. Nice trade, Paul. Good job, good job.
Yeah, the best crack is I never ever set a limit for my exit. I always do that for my stop loss. And of course, I thought I would try today screwing around with the settings. And of course, I could have got far more, but sure, that's half the crack.
Yep.
All good experience.
Yep, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about.
Yep. I must actually look now about starting an actual demo account now for what you're. So I'll probably talk to you later on this afternoon whenever the feed all disappears about the best way of getting started.
Yeah. It is slow today, guys. YouTube, we got about 20 minutes. Anybody got any questions? Kick, Twitch? No questions here. Yeah. Doesn't look like it, rat killer. Doesn't look like it. I'm not sure anybody showed up today. I think everybody's still sleeping off the Super Bowl. I guess. I don't know. You do not seem very active. Come on, Queen. I mean, King. King of Spades would be beautiful, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, Jeff?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Actually, kind of ugly. That is actually kind of ugly. Could have a king.
50-50.
King would be ugly there. Yeah, he could have flush too, but... It's up to you, Jeff. Bet he bets. Trying to get you out here, but... Four didn't make him any better, so he was just... I know that for sure. Yeah, and that's a little bet. Oh, he's got it. He's got the king. Yeah, exactly. Kinda crazy. Yep, that was a super weak bet. He was just trying to get you to bet it. Kinda stupid under the circumstances because the flush was on the board. So, he was taking a risk there. If you would have check raised him there, he would have folded. But the problem was that was a hard spot to check raise for you because you did not have a lot. I mean, a pair of jacks wasn't going for. That would have been semi-bluff there. Would have been tough, though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't blame you there. Still going down here, guys. No good setups, though. Say that right now. All she is just frizzling out.
Reality, why are the conditions not met? Because if it says sell below closure candle, does this candle here that we're looking at not match those circumstances that we're under that level? And that we should be looking to take a short here now?
Yeah, here was the issue with it. Okay. But the first candle that closed, right here was your close below. We had no bottom wick on this candle, and your stop loss would have been above this wick, which was like 50 or 60 ticks. So you couldn't have got involved there. Right here, our next support was this area. I had a white box on here in the beginning. So once this candle came in, again, you have no bottom wick on this candle to take advantage of this. So you have to wait for the low. And once you broke that low, your support was like right above this gray line. So essentially your stop loss would have been about 22 ticks and your take profit would have been about 10. So that was next, and not a great spot. And then here, you're essentially looking at the exact same thing. We closed above support right here. Stop loss would have been about 26 ticks. And you could have took advantage of this wick on this candle, possibly. But again, you're only talking about a 18 tick, so it wasn't super bad. If these lows here are broke, then you anticipate the recovery of this wick right here, which is a super nice position. The problem is we're right here in an area that we've played around in quite a bit. That's why these lines are so close right here. This has been a consolidation area in the past, and that's probably why we're kind of banging around rather than actually dropping and making a move down. And so getting a close below here, you know, let's make this a little brighter here so you can see it. Getting a close below here is going to be a much better opportunity. So if you can get a close below here and kind of range a little bit and hold below this, then you can anticipate breaking a low and making your move down here. So right now, all your shorts have already been stopped. I mean, all your longs have already been stopped. So we can't take advantage of stop losses right this second, except for the fact that if we hold price, now guys are going to start going long trying to catch this falling knife, as they say, right? And then we'll have stop losses below. So you got a few stop losses right here below this low, but not a ton yet. We haven't spent a lot of time running sideways. I'd like to see a few candles range here and then get a break to fill this area here. And we've got a nice area to fill. I mean, below them lows, you got about a 46 tick range to fill here. But Monday volume, yeah, you know, kind of ugly on Monday. So I look for grade A setups on Mondays just because the volume's normally pretty ugly. A lot of times they let them build positions and take advantage of that rather than actually hitting stop losses. And for the way I trade, stop losses is, you know, that's what I'm looking for, is for them stops.
Yeah.
But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I would have took a short off this indicator if we could have got up here and tested. So far, we haven't been able to do that either. But I'd like to see it start actually trading below 28.5 here. If we start getting some consolidation and trading below here, then yeah, we could take advantage down, hopefully. YouTube, Kick, Twitch. Got about 10 more minutes. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't know why this won't empty.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Oh my, are we gonna see 50? Wow.
I think psychological, isn't it?
28 so far. Yep. I'm worried about my long trade here now over the next $150.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
The wife got out of hers. She should have held that long a bit longer, but it was in from like 30, I believe.
Oh, very nice.
No. I'm not getting involved in that G Flock. Yeah, Crypto Bum was in from 20. And I think he had a
Nice.
I think he had a couple Bitcoin on it, and he sold somewhere around 40-ish. He doubled on it, so he did well.
Very nice.
only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny.
Well, there was a couple guys that there's a couple people that ran it up. I didn't get involved at all. Like I said, pretty bad when the wife's involved and I'm not. But yeah, I'm not messing with crypto much. I am not.
Yeah.
Here and there I may play a little, but I'm looking for I'm still looking for shorts. I'm not looking for longs currently, and I realize that's completely against what everybody's looking for. So as of right now, I'm kind of just watching it go. I'd still be shorting manipulation and altcoins currently, but it's super, super dangerous with Bitcoin pumping the way it is. So I haven't even opened a crypto chart in the last probably 2 months.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control
YouTube, Kick, Twitch. You guys have no questions. I think I'm going to shut you down. It's 3 minutes. There's going to be absolutely nothing. And there's not a lot of activity today, guys. If we had a bunch of activity and people speaking back and forth like we had the last few live streams, I'd keep you open, but apparently Monday is not popular. So have a great afternoon, guys, and I will see you back tomorrow morning.
Everybody.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic,
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing, if the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah, if I ever play I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity, come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus, living in a crisis, do you feel courageous, do you seek greatness, trust me you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing, if the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it, gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up, if I do something man I do it till I get what I want, I turn a business out of nothing into something I love, I got a poker face but honestly I'm not one to bluff, I flip a switch, never miss, man I always stay up, don't let them see you bitch, always have a plan to stay tough, this life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough, but that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'll never stop. till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live